Hey guys, Dan here with MAKO Spearguns. Quick video on how to install the MAKO Quick Out slip tip. First thing you want to do is check the length of your cordage or your cable, 33 inches long with a little loop on the end here. Next thing you want to do is install this latex tubing and run it over the top of the injector rod, down over the head and the shaft. Use soapy water or water to get it in place. Should be located 30 inches from the head of the tip of the injector rod. Once that's in place, take some pliers here, lift it up just enough where you get the rubber band through there and run your plastic O-ring through and form a loop there and keep that securely in place. Next thing you want to do is you want to install your loop right here. This is a cordage one, and I burned the ends for to keep it from fraying. Now we're ready to install the slip tip. We first want to run it through the plastic O-ring, then we run it through our loop, then up to the tip of the injector rod, and then down. Now we're going to go ahead and install the slip tip, and notice how it's held in place by the rubber band. Now when you shoot your fish, slip tip comes off, but look at this. This thing is not coming off. That's because we ran it through that loop there. There's no way it's coming off unless we want it to. Now to remove it, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the loop up over the top of the injector rod. It's going to go down through this loop here. You bring it through the plastic O-ring. Now we can remove it from our fish. Once it's removed from the fish, run it through the plastic O-ring, through the loop, over the injector rod, ready to get back in the water. Okay, thanks baby.